Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance with Abram. In this video, I've got an exciting update for you on the Fifth Third Bank checking bonus. You may remember my last video on this, but the offer just got even better. I'm going to walk you through the new details, how to qualify, and why this deal is even more valuable than before. So if you're looking to snag a generous bonus for opening a checking account, stick around. And if you like these type of videos, or this video specifically, make sure you hit the like button down below. If you enjoy content like this that helps you get the most out of your finances, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm always trying to share some of the latest tips, bonuses, and strategies to help you make your money work harder for you. And with this checking account with Fifth Third Bank, it is FDIC insured. It does fall under the umbrella of being protected by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. So first thing you see right there on the screen is that the cash bonus payout for this promotion is $375. So they increased that from $325. Back when I did a video on that a few months ago, when I did the bonus personally, it was at $325. So yeah, I followed the steps like I stated in the video with the eligibility. I was eligible for it, did the steps with the direct deposit, and got my $325 paid into my new Fifth Third checking account last month, back in September. As you see it right there up on the screen, there's a screenshot of the deposit. So yeah, that's one thing they definitely did that's notable. They increased that payout bonus from $325 to $375. So a nice $50 increase right there. So if you haven't done this bonus yet, then it's got even better. And that's not the only way it got better. Another way it got better is that they extended the expiration on it. Previously, this bonus expired on September 30th, 2024. Now the offer expires on January 6th, 2025. So if you didn't do it before and you're still eligible for it, you have an extension on that expiration where you just need to sign up and open the account by January 6, 2025. So that's two ways right there. Another way this bonus changed, the third way this bonus changed, is by the direct deposit qualified amount. Previously, you had to make direct deposits totaling $2,000 or more within 90 days of opening the account. Now with this bonus, you only have to make direct deposits totaling $500 or more within 90 days of opening the account. So they lessen the amount that you actually need to direct deposit into this new account for the bonus. So three ways right there. They made this bonus better. And eligibility, really important before we get into the steps here. This offer states that it is not available to anyone who has an ownership interest, including but not limited to primary owner or joint owner in any existing Fifth Third checking or a Fifth Third checking account that was closed within the last 13 months. So if you already have a Fifth Third checking account, you would not be eligible for this account. If you had a Fifth Third checking account within the last 13 months that was closed, then you would not be eligible for this bonus. So however, if you had a Fifth Third checking account, over 13 months ago that was closed, over 13 months ago, then you could be eligible still for this bonus. Or if you never had a Fifth Third checking account at all, then you could still be eligible for this bonus. Also, it states that this bank reserves the right to limit each customer to one new account-related gift incentive per calendar year. If you got a bonus before from Fifth Third Bank within a calendar year, then you might not be eligible for this bonus with this checking account offer. And one big piece of eligibility for this Fifth Third checking account bonus is that you must live in an area that has a Fifth Third Bank presence. So if you live outside of their zone, you're going to get this error message when you start applying for this checking account. They're going to state, unfortunately, we were unable to open your account online at this time. However, we'd be happy to help you in a Fifth Third branch. So basically, they're going to say like, hey, your zip code that you enter is out of an area that we service. If you haven't lived or have an address in one of their service areas, then you'll be eligible for this bonus. Here are the states that Fifth Third Bank operates in. On the screen, as you see it right here, the states for Fifth Third Bank are going to be Florida, Kentucky, South Carolina, Georgia, Michigan, Tennessee, Illinois, North Carolina, West Virginia, Indiana, and Ohio. So if you fall into one of those states with your address, your zip code and everything, then you would be in one of their eligible areas to open the account and get this bonus. For example, as you see on their screen, that was a Texas zip code I put in. I believe Dallas, Texas, gave me the error that, can't open the account for you. I'm going to enter another zip code for a state outside of that service area. So California zip code I'm trying right now, same error message. Unfortunately, we're unable to open your account online at this time. And then right now, as you see again, I entered another zip code, this time from Manhattan, New York, 10022. And I got the message again. Unfortunately, we're unable to open an account online at this time because that is another state that is not within their service area of these states right here on the screen that I read out to you. So that is definitely a big part of eligibility. So yes, now let's get through the steps right here. So step number one with getting this checking account bonus is that you need to open this new checking account by January 6, 2025 and enter your offer code. So the ways you can do this is that if you want to just do it on the website, like on this website right here on the promotion page, I'll have this link to this promotional page for this bank account bonus in the description. It's not a referral link or anything. It's just for this promotion. If you open up your account through the link right here on this bonus page, open your account, the promo code is going to be embedded basically into your application. So as you see right here, it's going to be either if you're new to Fifth Third Bank or you have another account, you're going to have the promo code right there ready for it. Whichever path you need to go, you have the offer code already embedded right there into the offer code section, which is optional, they say, but you don't want it to be optional. You want it to be a requirement for you because you want to get that bonus. So if you open it up through the website page on the promotion page, the offer code is going to be right there already loaded for you. But another way you can open the account, you can open it later, or you can open it in person at a physical branch of Fifth Third Bank. If you want to do that, definitely still go to this promo page for this offer, but enter your email address right there and then click on get offer code. So the offer code is going to be emailed to you and you want to take that code with you to the physical branch when you open up your bank account and definitely tell the associate, the teller, the rep, whoever's helping you that, hey, I have a promotion code for opening up this new checking account, and give them the information for it. So you can do it that way, or if you want to just open the account later through the other website, some part of the other website, you can still have that code emailed to you. And you'll just use that code wherever you're signing up for the account. If you don't sign up through the promo page, just have that code ready to insert it on another page or with you at a physical branch. And when opening that checking account, there is no minimum deposit required to open the checking account. So you don't have to transfer a certain amount from another external bank account to this amount or deposit anything at a physical branch when you open the account. No minimum deposit required to open the checking account. Now, after you do that, step number two is that you're going to make those direct deposits totaling $500 or more within 90 days of account opening. And for those direct deposits, it's not just any kind of deposit that's eligible for this $500 or more. That direct deposit has to be a qualifying payroll or government issued direct deposit. So when you think of those ways, it's going to be something like, if you get paid every 2 weeks, every month, every week, however you get paid from your employer, that's going to qualify as an eligible direct deposit. A big business employer, a local employer, gig work, like DoorDash, Uber, something like that, things like that would qualify as a payroll direct deposit. Or if you get government benefits issued to you, some kind of government benefits issued to you, Social Security, something like that, then that would be eligible as a direct deposit. Now, things that aren't eligible for direct deposit are going to be things like an external transfer from another bank to this new bank account, or, PayPal or Zelle or Venmo and things like that. Those would not be eligible for the qualifying direct deposit. Now, yes, you can set up the account to, get external bank account transfers and things like that to and from this account. That's totally fine for just, day-to-day operations, just regular operations. However, for this direct deposit eligible qualifying amount, those would not be eligible. Basically, it's going to be standard payroll or government issued direct deposit. So yeah, have those amounts. You can split that up. You don't have to do 500 or more all at once. You can split it up if you want to, or you can do it all at once if you want to. However you want to do that, just at least $500 or more within 90 days of account opening. Now, step number 3, of course, you don't see it here, but I'm going to add it on to this because step number 3 is basically receiving your $375 bonus. What does that entail? How does that happen? When does it happen? What's going on with that $375? So after you do those, step 1 and step 2, the $375 checking bonus does not require any additional activities, just a little patience and keeping the account open, because that cash bonus is going to be deposited into your new account within 10 business days of completing qualifying activity requirements. And they state, in order to receive the cash bonus, your checking account must be open and in good standing. So definitely keep the account open and don't, no negative balance, no fraudulent or shady activity. Keep it open in good standing. You can even keep a few dollars on there if you're not really using it much. Keep a positive balance just to make sure, you don't have a negative balance on it. So keep it open. And I would say keep a positive balance in it. Make sure it's in good standing. Some bonuses state that your account needs to have a positive balance. This one does not state that. It just states it needs to be open and in good standing. But I like to just leave a few dollars at least in there if I'm not leaving a larger amount in there or something, just to make sure, I got the account open. And if I have anything deducted from it, it's still going to have a positive balance. And that bonus that you get is going to be considered income and will be likely reported on IRS Form 1099-INT, 1099-MISC, or 1042-S as required by applicable law. So if you've done these bonuses before, then you're accustomed to this. Basically, you know the process. If you do your taxes yourself, you're going to need to enter that information on your taxes. If you get someone else to do your taxes, then you're going to need to take that form that you received from Fifth Third Bank to your tax preparer with all your other documents. So basically, if you do this bonus in 2024 and get it paid out to your account in 2024, then in 2025, around January, February or so, you're going to receive one of those forms in the mail stating that, Fifth Third Bank paid you $375 as income. That's going to be considered income, interest income, something like that. So yes, that's step number 3, a little bit of patience, keeping the account open, and that bonus will be deposited into that new Fifth Third checking account. And like I stated towards the beginning of the video, I did this bonus myself. After I completed the activities for this bonus, my bonus was paid out to me within 10 business days. Very seamless, easy process. All right, that wraps up the update on the Fifth Third Bank checking bonus. This is definitely one of the best offers out there right now. So if you've been thinking about opening a checking account and getting a sign-up bonus, now might be the time to jump on it. And be sure to share this with anyone who could benefit from it. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care.